Let's take a closer look at the many ways users can view multimedia files within AccessDME, the QuickDME module used to view, process, and manage your digital assets. I'm using the QuickDME 30-day demo installation, so when I launch AccessDME, the username and password will be pre-populated. I simply need to click OK to log in. By default, AccessDME opens full screen on your primary display. However, users can move and resize all of the panels and windows to suit their particular preference and workflow, then save their layout via Edit My Settings. The 30-day demo installation also opens with all of the sample cases already listed in the search window. I'll select a case from the search window, then select a download folder containing a couple video files. The Items window is where all of the items from a particular folder are displayed in either tree, list, or thumbnail view. You can also filter the items by type using the convenient checkbox options. To the left of the filtering options is our Quick View checkbox. When this option is checked, AccessDME will attempt to download and view any item selected, as opposed to displaying a thumbnail for that item. Additional ways to view the item, if applicable, are available via the right-click context menu. The options shown here are Quick View, Associated Player, or Windows Default Viewer. The Associated Player option will only be available if a player has been associated with that file type within AccessDME. The Windows Default Viewer option sends the file to Windows to open with your PC's default viewer for that file type. This is also a great option for those situations where the proprietary player and video are packaged in a standalone exe. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about how QuickDME can help you organize, standardize, and automate your digital evidence workflows.